Hey everyone, welcome back to English Level Up. I'm James.
And I'm Anna. So, we get a lot of messages from listeners asking, how do I actually stick with the language and not forget everything?
Oh yeah, the classic, I learned 50 words yesterday and today I remember 3?
Exactly. It's so frustrating. So, today we're breaking down 6 methods that aren't just trendy, they're backed by science and real learner success.
And we promise no just study harder advice. Let's jump into number 1. It's a game changer, spaced repetition. Anna, you're a huge fan of this.
Oh, totally. Because cramming, it just doesn't work for the long term. Spaced repetition is basically the antidote to cramming. Instead of marathon sessions, you review little bits over time.
It's like planting seeds. You water them today, then again in a few days, then a week later, not all the water at once.
Yes, that's the perfect analogy. And your brain actually strengthens those memories each time it almost forgets them. Scientists call it the spacing effect. So, practically, how do you do it?
Flashcards, but smart ones. Apps like Anki or Quizlet use algorithms to schedule reviews for you. You see a word today, then maybe tomorrow, then in 3 days, exactly when you're about to forget it.
It feels almost like magic. You spend less time, but remember so much more. Quick little favor before we start. If you like this kind of content,
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
tap the bell icon so YouTube tells you when we post new episodes.
And share this with that one friend who always says, I want to improve my English. All right, method number 2 is a big one, comprehensible input. Sounds fancy, but it's a simple, powerful idea.
It comes from this famous linguist, Stephen Krashen. Basically, you learn best when you understand most of what you're hearing or reading. It should be just a little over your head, not completely baffling.
So if you're a beginner, watching a complex political debate in your target language is just noise. But watching a kid's cartoon you kind of follow, or a simple vlog about your hobby, that's gold.
Right. Your brain is picking up patterns, context, new words naturally because it's engaged. It's not passive. You're following a story or an idea. I learned so much Spanish just by watching cooking shows I loved.
Now, input is crucial, but you've also got to produce. That's method 3, comprehensible output.
This is where you try to speak or write, and it's messy. You'll get things wrong. But researcher Meryl Swain found that's how you learn. When you struggle to express an idea, you notice the gaps in your knowledge.
How do I say, I forgot my keys inside the car? That struggle makes you look it up, ask someone, and then you own that new phrase.
Exactly. So talk to yourself in the shower. Send a voice message to a language partner. Write 3 sentences in a journal about your day. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practice. And we're back. Let's talk about immersion. James, I know what you're thinking. I can't move to Italy.
Yeah, the classic myth. But immersion isn't just about geography. It's about weaving the language into your daily life, wherever you are.
100%. Change your phone's language setting. Follow cool accounts on social media in that language. Listen to music playlists. Put on a podcast while you cook. It's about creating little bubbles of that language world around you.
Your brain starts adapting, getting used to the sounds and rhythms without you even studying. It becomes familiar, less scary. Method 5 is super practical, task-based learning. Learn by doing something real.
Instead of just memorizing grocery store vocab, actually write your shopping list in the language. Or before you order coffee, practice the exact conversation. Hi, can I get a large latte to go, please?
It gives language a purpose. You're not just learning words, you're learning to complete a task. It sticks better because it's connected to a real goal.
Even better, do the task for real. Order that coffee, ask for directions, read a recipe, and make the dish. The mini triumph of succeeding is the best motivation.
Finally, let's have some fun with mnemonic memory tricks. This is where you get creative and silly.
I love this one.
Our brains remember weird, funny, vivid images way better than boring lists. So you link a new word to a sound or picture in your mind.
For example, the French word for fire is feu. It sounds like foe in English. So imagine your foe, your enemy, throwing fire. It's ridiculous, and that's why you'll remember it.
That's a great one. I used to remember the Spanish word for avocado, aguacate, by picturing a lawyer, aguacate sounds like a lawyer, eating guacamole. It works.
It forces your brain to make a deeper connection. The weirder, the better.
So there you have it. 6 ways to work with your brain, not against it. Spaced repetition, comprehensible input and output, immersion, task-based learning, and mnemonics.
Don't try to do all 6 at once. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you and start there. The key is consistency and a little bit of joy.
Absolutely. Learning a language is a journey. Make it enjoyable. Be kind to yourself and trust the process.
We'd love to hear which method you try. Find us on social at English Level Up.
Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep exploring.